today we are at Lash's and we're fixing this crane. I picked up too much. It says right here 1,000 pounds. I did too many pounds, so it was ripping it out of the bed of the truck. So right now we're building in Lash's cool little zone over here. And boom. Right now we're drilling the pilot holes. We call this the world's most technical jobs.
Now, this
in
is
Lash's shop. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Is this beautiful or what?
What's that?
Look, here's the old stove we used to sit by when it was freezing.
So first you drill a little puddle hole.
This is called a puddle hole. Oh, I didn't know that.
Well, that holds the oil. See, otherwise.
Learn something new every day. The puddle hole lesson. Master of lug tech. So we piloted the holes, ladies and gentlemen, and then now, folks, we're gonna go in with the correct size. And you got to be very careful because this piece of metal could actually spin out, grab you in the belly if you're not playing.
That's why usually.
Yeah, you can rip your fingers. This is actually very dangerous.
All right. So now what we got to do is go drill holes in the truck. Take our stencil, which is our piece.
Point and it's shooting. Put my shades on, you say? Can I borrow yours?
Yeah. It's already shooting.
Oh, yeah. We're on fire, baby. Okay. So I'm looking for the vice grips here, little dogs. Yep, there it went. Okay, we're recording. We're in Lash's shop today. We're doing some plasma cutting.
Dealing with a double. There you go.
Cracking her down. Here's the ground. Comes off, goes to here.
Yeah. And you're done.
Bam, baby. We did it. Peace out, yo. Press the button again. Look at how beautiful that fits. You just cut that with the plasma cutter.
Okay.
Fine job.
Is that where we want it? This thing here?